Laclede Chain Manufacturing Company presents installation for Alpine Premier, Sport, and Super Sport Series tire chain. Pre-fit chains before they are required. It is critical to make 100% certain that the chains you have fit your tire. Before installing, make sure you are in a safe area, such as a parking lot, a designated chain-up area, or a clear section of the shoulder. Tire chains are always installed on the drive wheels of the car. Make sure you know which tires power the car before installing your chains. Installing Alpine tire chains is easy, but first you must recognize the components. Red plate fastener, draw chain rings, draw chain, and the yoke. Barrel fastener, cable, footprint, rim chain, and cross chain. Step 1. Remove product from bag, unhook fasteners, lay chain out with the yellow tube on the left and the cross chain hooks facing down. Inspect the chain for any twists. Remove any twists you find to allow for proper installation. When your chain is ready to go, it should look like this. Step 2. Slide the cable and chain with the yellow tube first around the back of the tire. The chain should look like this before you move on to the next step. Step 3. Lift both sides of the cable, pulling outward and forward. Make sure the chain remains draped over the tire. Step 4. Connect the barrel fastener and leave it on top of the tread face. Step 5. Connect the red flat plate fastener on the right side of the chain into the first link on the left side of the chain. Then, push the fastened cable towards the back of the tire. Step 6. Thread the draw chain through the yoke and tighten by pulling on the chain. Do not pull on the rubber handle. Make sure that a draw chain link is locked into the notch of the yoke. Step 7. Pass the draw chain handle through the draw chain rings, pull back 180 degrees, and connect it to the rim chain. It is okay to only use one draw chain ring if the draw chain is not long enough to go through both of them. Step 8. Drive the vehicle about 15 feet and retighten the chains to take up any slack. You can adjust the flat plate and the draw chain to remove the slack from the chains. Final tips for installing tire chains. Practice installing your chains before you need them. Apply the parking brake while installing your chains. Do not spin your tires when starting. Do not lock your brakes when stopping. Avoid driving on dry pavement. Avoid traveling faster than 30 miles per hour. Avoid hitting curbs. Retighten chains frequently. Laclede Alpine tire chains are easy to put on. It takes less than 2 minutes per tire.